everybody, welcome back to Best Life and Beyond. We are at the Disneyland Hotel.
We are going to share what it's like to stay here in 2022, but we're specifically staying here for a very, very special reason.
Very special.
Someone is back and we are so excited, and it's also his birthday. Who could that be? It's Pixar Charlie!
Hey everybody!
There he is. There he is.
Hey guys, what's happening?
Yay! So we're gonna celebrate Pixar Charlie's birthday.
Yeah,
we're gonna do a stay here at the Disneyland Hotel. We're gonna share with you e-ticket lounge.
We're gonna go check out the room. We're gonna check out all sorts of stuff today. Probably go hang out at the pool. So let's go. As we pass by the topiaries right here, always a good look right on the entrance to the pool, which we will show you a little bit later. And something that Katie loves and I love too is the Mary Blair inspired art on the wall here. The Small World vibes on the Fantasyland Tower, and these little seating areas are super cool. All right, heading into the Adventure Tower.
Going on an adventure.
Which the cool thing is when you come in, look at this theming right here. It's actually the entrance to Adventureland. As you note, with some little maquettes, some Jungle Cruise animals here. They always got the classic photos up here too, which is amazing. Got that mid-century modern vibe with this lighting. Look at that. All right, we're gonna go check out Charlie's room because ours is not ready. Oh my gosh.
Welcome, you guys.
Wow.
There it is. Okay, we're on our way up to the e-ticket lounge. What level is this on?
12th?
12th, 11th, I think.
Okay.
11th. It's been a while since I've been there, so we're gonna
All
have
right.
to check it out.
Charlie, watch out. Hippos.
What?
Careful, careful, careful.
They only attack when they're blowing bubbles.
That's true.
Ticket club.
And there's where we're going right there. 11.
I call it the lounge, but I guess it's called the club.
Why not just make it 10 and make 10 just a little bit louder?
Sign,
Oh,
guys.
there it is.
Wow, it's an e-ticket.
It's an e-ticket to paradise. There it is. It's an old replica of the ticket in a plexiglass form. That's very cool. Hours 6:30 a.m. to 10 p.m. Please tap room key below. Very good. And the door opens just like that. Hello, thank you.
How are we doing today?
Good, yourself? Oh yeah, look at this. This is beautiful. Look at the view, you guys. We're up even higher. Look at that. So we will get a fireworks view that is probably off in that direction right about there.
Yeah.
Phenomenal. You know, I imagine we have to get here a little
Probably
early
pretty early.
to
so we can
secure
get a good spot.
one of these good spots because there's not too many of them.
Attractions poster.
Oh, attractions posters. What? That's amazing. And then this side, there's like a little lounge over here. It's got some more attraction posters. Oh yeah. Oh, there's Small World, Katie's favorite. There's a little TV right there. Here is the complimentary snacks, drinks, etc. We got some coffee.
I think at 5 o'clock it changes.
It changes at 5.
Yeah.
Let's see what we got right now. So we got some chips. We got some fruit. Oh, chips and salsa. And look, a mermaid from the old submarine attraction back in the day. There was opening day, it looks like right there. There's Walt with the hippos. Oh, look, there's Walt and Mary Blair in front of Small World. More snacks. Oh, Uncrustables, there you go. I think we should,
baked
have
cookies are on an e-ticket too.
Uh-oh, Charlie.
Oh, I love that. Oh, that's so cool.
Spa waters on an
Oh, that's
e-ticket.
genius. And then right under Walt in the tiki room, you've got the assorted flavored waters and iced tea. Actually, water, lemonade, iced tea. Oh, we've got some maquettes in here. Some pirates, there's the castle, Main Street Station, and then my boys, Phineas, Ezra, and Gus. Hitchhiking Ghost right there.
I still have 2 full untorn books.
This is a great piece. I kind of have a similar framed piece that my dad gave me that has e-tickets and Disney memorabilia.
So cool.
Check that out.
Get a little espresso, Katie?
Just a little bit.
Hey, there's Nature's Wonderland Railroad with the old Cascade Peak, which is now gone. That thing is leveled into just a normal hill, no waterfall. Good assortment of bananas there. And look at that fridge, it's stocked. Oh my gosh, legit. Juice, soda. Oh yeah, and then Charlie noticed the Mickey ears on top here. I didn't even realize that those were there. Something else cool about this view that not a lot of people ever realize, but the old ESPN zone, the roof is a baseball diamond. And yeah, you don't ever get to see that unless you're up here. And ESPN's long gone, so you know someday they'll either paint that over or the building will get demoed and changed. Who knows what'll happen to that? But there it is. All right, this is the dinner service here. Looks pretty good. We got here quinoa fritter. Oh, I'll do some of those. Yeah.
Goat cheese and roasted red pepper quiche.
Yep.
And then some chicken tandoori.
Oh boy. We've got a Mickey configuration going here. So yeah, here's some of the stuff.
It is so good.
I love the individual salad.
So delicious.
That pasta salad, that orzo, is really good. Some fancy cheese. Here's my other plate of stuff. Some chicken, some quiches, something else, some garlic aioli. Oh yeah. All right, we're headed down to the pool, the monorail pool. Look at that. Pool hours 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. That's good. Those are late hours.
Yeah.
There's the monorail. So you can see them on this side. All right, night has fallen here at the Disneyland Resort. Okay, now we're on our way to the e-ticket lounge for the final performance of the season of Disneyland Forever from the e-ticket lounge. This is legendary.
What a way to celebrate.
We've never done this.
Never.
Yeah, this is going to be the first for you guys to see it from up here.
Yeah.
It's cool.
It's the last Disneyland Forever.
I mean, who knows when it's going to come back?
It may be, who knows how long, honestly, because I feel like if they bring back another show, first of all, we have the 100th anniversary of the company.
Right.
Then we also have Remember Dreams Come True. They could bring that back at any
Which is my
point.
favorite, actually. So
Left.
Oh, we went far.
this way. This is also the level that has all the suites, as you can see right there. That's the Big Thunder Suite.
Mickey Mouse Penthouse.
The Mickey Mouse Penthouse, double doors. This one looks very piratey, but it doesn't have an emblem on it. But the door looks
I
very.
think it's just a suite.
All right, what's this one here?
Adventureland.
Oh, Adventureland with the tikis. Look at that. Oh, that's amazing. We're showing up an hour and a half early.
An
So-
hour early.
Oh, an hour early? Okay, here we go. E-ticket. Fireworks.
It's
Look
good.
at
I just printed those right now because I found it.
That's so
Oh, this is a
freaking
picture of the
cute.
club.
I
Please.
literally just printed it right now.
Awesome. It's cool because they have the Tinkerbell inlay. Look at that, with all the pixie dust.
That's how that goes, too.
Is that that's the sound effect that goes
That's
with it?
the sound.
Yeah,
nowadays.
Just so people know.
Yeah,
Okay,
I'm
cool.
updating it a little bit.
Well, you got to. You
You
gotta let
got
them know.
to. You got to go with the years, you know? The older you get, it's got to... There
Yeah,
you go. You're good.
You're good. Okay, so there's kind of the view right now. I'm sure the lights will dim in here so there won't be a reflection. But we got a good view. But before we get to that, let's check out what is on tap up here. I think it's dessert time, right, Katie?
Sure is.
Well, hello, cream puff.
Good to
I
see
don't know
you,
what
too.
I think they might be little donuts.
Yeah, look at this. And more cookies.
Pretty sure it's a strawberry.
Yeah.
Oh, maybe not. There's like a strawberry kind of mousse on top.
Okay.
Yum.
All right, it's almost fireworks time. We just got the warning. It's the last Disneyland Forever, you guys.
Just imagine, if you were standing right here over 60 years ago, you'd be standing in the middle of an orange grove. One visionary man stood right where you are now, but instead of orange trees, he had envisioned a magic kingdom. This man's name was Walt Disney, and his dream would be called Disneyland.
As long as there is imagination left in the world, Disneyland will never be complete.
Just think, all of this is yours forever. Come on and live the magic.
It was a really good time. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, you can let us know by giving this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Thank you to our Patreons. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time on Best Life and Beyond. Bye-bye, everybody.